Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi ladies. Hi. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Then we're going to Gina's house and then we're going to try to cook chicken biryani, right?
Chicken biryani and vegetable biryani.
Okay. Okay.
on. Onions, beans, coriander,
Okay.
you mean cilantro,
Okay.
carrot and peas, potatoes, tomatoes, ginger, garlic and green chilies.
Okay.
This is
Cauliflower
Cauliflower, yeah.
and mint leaves.
Oh, okay.
And some curd. This is the rice soaked for 1 hour
Okay.
and I put some rice water over here to make the rice. It's boiling.
Yeah.
And then in this, I'll add some of these.
This, okay. What's that? Are you eating?
This
This is cardamom.
Ah, okay.
This is green cardamom.
Okay.
This is called badi elaichi.
Like
or
big
it is
cardamom.
Big cardamom.
Okay.
There are two types of cardamom. This is cloves. These
Okay.
are cloves.
Oh, yeah.
Bay leaf.
This is bay leaf. These are
Peppercorns.
peppercorns.
Okay. Mm.
Biryani.
Biryani.
Someone is gonna eat
Okay.
biryani. So I'm adding these in this. Some cardamom, cloves, bay leaves. That's it. We'll add some salt.
Salt, okay.
Salt. Three spoons of salt. Put it on high flame. Your chicken.
Fried chicken, okay.
So this is the chicken over here. Up marination ke bata dena.
This is the marinated chicken.
Okay.
We kept this yesterday at about evening.
Okay.
So it needs to be marinated for at least 10 hours.
Ah,
For the
okay.
taste.
Okay,
And
cool.
for the chicken to relax
Okay.
in the spices.
Okay.
So we added green chilies, ginger and
Okay.
garlic paste,
Hmm.
and we added salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder,
Okay.
and what else? You know?
All these.
all these spices. Red
Indian
chili.
spices.
All these
These
spices.
are,
Ah,
these are
okay.
basic Indian spices.
Okay.
Red chili, coriander,
Biryani
turmeric,
masala.
biryani masala.
We didn't add this.
And
You will
salt.
add now.
Okay.
So right now we are going to proceed with this.
Okay. Okay.
One
Very
more
interesting.
thing.
What's that?
This is clarified butter.
Oh, butter. Okay.
I'll be adding in this
Yeah.
so that the rice don't stick to each other. The
Mm,
rice grain
okay.
be open.
Okay.
Okay. Spoon लेके आओ. तो उसको वो भी वो निकालना है. You can add butter,
Okay.
clarified butter or oil.
Okay.
We call this as ghee
Ghee.
in India.
Okay.
Okay. And it's clarified butter.
Okay.
So let the water boil. आ जाओ आप chicken करते. Let's start with chicken first. Okay. Yeah. At the time. So when the
नहीं तेल गरम होने दो.
when the oil is hot,
Yeah.
We will add cumin.
Okay.
cumin seeds.
These are basic Indian spices.
Oh, you don't.
You will find this in almost all Indian households,
Okay.
especially in North India.
North India. Okay.
Yes, especially.
The
It's very basic.
our food is incomplete without these.
Really? Oh, so every food there is
Yes, yes.
spices. Oh, okay. Very interesting.
Indians love
Spices.
spices. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Are you open again? See, now the water has boiled.
Okay.
So we'll add rice in it.
Okay.
See, it's
Yeah,
boiling.
right. Well.
लेके आना चावल पानी निकाल कर
कौन सा वाला?
दोनों
Okay, so now I'm taking the rice.
Okay.
पानी निकाल कर डोंगा भी लेके आओ
So that rice, how many scoop?
I have taken 2 cups these. Oh, where is my cup?
2 cups like that. Okay.
This 2 cups
Yeah.
for chicken biryani.
Okay.
And these size 2 cups for vegetable biryani.
Okay.
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 You know? Yeah. So we soak this rice for almost 1.5
1
hour.
hour. Yeah.
And now I'll add this into this.
Okay.
Again, clarify butter, the same.
A butter G. Oh, okay.
Okay. Let's start with vegetable biryani. 4-5 peppercorns.
What kind of leaves that?
Bay leaves. See. अब हिलाने का काम करो चलो. She'll keep stirring, okay?
Stirring, okay. Oh, there's the oil, right? Oh.
Yeah. Now we'll add some cumin seeds. Lot of cumin seeds.
Cumin seeds is the basic.
Okay.
We'll add some. This is grated ginger. This is grated garlic and chilies.
Okay.
Okay.
You can also take the paste. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Paste.
I love freshly grated.
You know, because the
Stir it.
it would be crunchy.
So when
Wala
this
so pa
is-
onions, eh?
Yeah, onions. But we'll not add all.
Okay.
We need some for presentation later on.
Okay.
Okay. So when you start getting that smell
Smell.
of ginger and garlic,
And the color, right, should be a
a
little
little
bit
brown.
browny, right?
Yeah. So once it gets brown, we'll add half a portion of this. I cut almost 6 onions, from which I'm going to add almost 3 onions.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait until it's get brown.
Yeah.
Until
See
then
your
you
chicken.
can see your chicken.
Zoom it. You. Ooh. 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 So we can see over here, some of them are burning.
Burning.
Right off. This is burning,
Become burnt.
right? It's
Browning.
burning. So before it burns completely, we'll add some onions. Stir it.
Handle it carefully.
And
Spice again.
no, we'll add some salt.
Salt.
1 spoon of salt. The reason for this. Can you translate in your language?
Language, nagluluto kami ng chicken biryani.
I'm lefty, so I'm just using my left hand.
If I'm
Sorry. We'll add some mint leaves.
mint leaves,
Yeah.
And for what purpose we are adding mint leaves?
for the taste and fragrance. both.
Fragrance. Okay.
And even for the taste. We'll add some coriander, cilantro.
Cilantro.
Yeah. Everything on medium flame so
On
that it
medium.
doesn't get burned.
Okay.
So we'll add a little bit of salt.
But you have already a salt inside, right?
We'll add 1 spoon of turmeric
Yeah,
powder.
we already put the salt. That was just for fast cooking of onions.
Fast cooking
Yeah.
onions.
And after that, you have to just see that for how many people you are cooking.
Okay.
We'll add some coriander powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder. We'll add some red chili. We'll add some biryani masala, kind of. This is Indian spice. We call it as garam
इन
masala.
दोनों में से एक
Garam masala.
Yes. And we have
हाँ ये इसकी थी क्या नाम है इसका?
Hyderabadi biryani masala.
Masala.
ये पक गया है ना तो पहले इसको कर लेंगे
And remember, this is for non-veg biryani.
Okay.
Chicken biryani.
This one?
No, this is for veg biryani.
Oh,
Vegetable, right?
Chicken biryani is done.
So this is for the vegetable only.
Yeah. So I'm adding 2 spoons of biryani masala.
हाँ हम लोग ऑनियन क्यों ये कर रहे हैं जो है
We are, this is the brown onions from up for presentation. And now we'll stir it.
और गार्निशिंग
Oh yeah, perfect vocabulary.
You can see, ooh,
Smells good.
so many spices.
Smells so good,
It's a
tastes
bomb
so-
of spices.
Okay, now remember, Indian food should smell so good, taste so good, and look so good.
Looks so good.
Yeah.
So meaning it's the best. The best food, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, now we'll add remaining vegetables as this is a vegetable biryani.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, फिर मैं डालती हूँ और थोड़ा देना. We'll add some potatoes.
Potatoes.
These are 2 potatoes, big size.
Okay.
This is
You can also take small potatoes, and thus the quantity would be more.
Okay.
Okay.
we are adding some
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Stir it. Otherwise, like the masala will not.
Mixed with the
We'll let this both cook and then after some time we'll add
carrots and
carrot
green
and peas.
Yeah.
Sorry. And
Beans.
beans. Added some mint leaves.
What's that, Gina? Again?
I added some mint leaves,
Okay, mint leaves.
coriander, cilantro,
Cilantro.
and onion, tomatoes, and cucumber. Now I'll add some salt,
So
some coriander powder,
एक गोभी की सब्जी लग रही है.
chunky chaat
chunky chaat.
masala.
That's kind of funny name, right?
Chunky chaat.
Chunky. You know, in India there is an actor whose name is Chunky Pandey. So
Chunky.
when you spoke like
Chunky.
that actor came in our mind.
So the raita is also ready. We'll add some final touch. Can you give me black pepper from inside? Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Black pepper.
Black pepper.
Crust. Is it crust, right?
Yeah.
Chunky also, chunky black pepper.
That's not chunky.
That is it. The raita is ready. I
It's
bought it
here.
from Costco.
Let's go.
All natural active bacterial culture. Everything is in place. All the vegetables are in. So
And the
now
last one.
we'll add almost these are this very small spoon.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll add unless the vegetables get covered in curd. Okay.
Just
One.
is your mouth watering?
2,
No, it's okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
8.
Let's see. We need to add a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Okay.
And you put the flame to?
Medium.
Medium.
Cook everything on medium flame so it cooks very good and perfect.
Otherwise it will burn.
Mm.
Take the salt. Smell it?
The smell.
Mm.
Unexplained smell.
And if you will cook, then you will also say this thing.
I'm adding a little bit of sugar
Sugar. Oh, okay.
so that other spices
will
it will lift
lift
up other spices. Okay. Not much, little bit of sugar.
Like pasta
Yeah.
or what?
And a little bit of salt.
Salt.
Yeah. If you want spicy, you can add some really red chili powder,
Yeah.
and it's up to you how much spice level you want.
Okay.
Okay. We'll add some.
35%.
Oh.
We'll
And
add
you
some
started
garam
from
masala
that
from here.
We started 100%.
Oh.
Yeah, just 35%.
Okay. Some saffron milk.
Saffron milk.
We even add rose water, but I don't have rose water, unfortunately.
केवड़ा केवड़ा जब केवड़ा जब
What's that?
केवड़ा एक फूल होता है
We'll add some milk
ये
leaves.
हो जाता है फिर उसका उसको
मैं देखूंगी इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
वो नहीं बनाता
We'll add some
कैसा
coriander.
वो भी नहीं जानता वो केवड़ा जब पता है बस मार्केट में मिलता है ग्रोसरी स्टोर में
Onion.
Fried onions.
Fried onions.
रेस्टोरेंट में मिल जाएगा आपको
मैंने सुना भी कभी केवड़ा जल
केवड़ा जब वो भी डालते हैं
मैं देखूं
केवड़ा हाँ देखो
I like presentation with my bare hands so that I can present it very well.
Yeah.
Okay?
As long as your hand is clean.
Yeah, I wash my hand. I'm very clean. See.
For the views, for the views.
That is it. This is done. Now we'll pack this up.
Try this up. So it's time to taste the chicken biryani made by Gina and Pratik. Hello guys, thank you very much for the time and effort to teach me how to make a chicken biryani and vegetable biryani. Thank you for Japneet, Pratik, and Gina.
Bye-bye. You're
Bye.
welcome.
Thank you for watching.
Take care.
I hope you like it, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.